Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in the earlier classes we have discussed about echelon form of the matrix and how to find the rank of the matrix by reducing echelon form. Next form is normal form. We reduce the given matrix into normal form and we can find the rank of the matrix by using this form. So here is a normal form, meaning a matrix of the form IR000 or IR0 IR, where IR is identity matrix of order R cross R, is said to be in the normal form. That means IR means identity and the rest of the elements are 0. For example, here you can observe that here this is a identity matrix of order 2 and rest of the elements are 0. Therefore, it can be represented as IR, one column is 0 and another also, that is row also 0. Therefore, it can be represented as IR00. Okay. Like this, we have one more example. Here we have IR, that is identity matrix of order 3 and rest of the elements are 0. Therefore, it can be represented as IR, okay, full rows, that is IR, and here it is 0, okay. Like this, we have one more example. Here it is of order 2 and the rest of the rows are 0, okay. Here IR means the identity matrix. So here R is the order of the identity matrix. This IR gives the rank of the matrix, that is R gives the rank of the matrix. Here we have one note that if a matrix is reducible to the normal form, okay, whichever the form, then its rank will be R, okay. Or here in this case you can observe that here we have identity matrix of order 2, therefore its rank is 2. Or you can count that as you done in the echelon form. Here you count the non-zero rows. So here you can observe that here for this one and second row is the non-zero, that is any one element is non-zero and the last row is 0. Therefore it has two non-zero rows, therefore its rank is 2. You can go with this IR, also you can go with the counting non-zero rows, okay. Even here also by identity, this concept, here this identity matrix is of order 3, therefore its rank is 3. Or you can count the non-zero rows, you can observe that it has 3 non-zero rows, therefore its rank is 3. Similarly, in this case it has 2 non-zero rows, therefore its rank is 2. Or you can go by this method, that is it has identity matrix of order 2, therefore its rank is 2. So in order to reduce the given matrix into normal form, we use the both elementary row operation and column operation. As in the echelon form we use only row operations, here we use the both row and column operations, okay. Let's see the first example. So here we have the first example. Find the rank of the following matrices by reducing normal form. First question is A equals to 1 2 1 2 3 3 3 5 4 2 1 5. So in order to reduce normal form, first we make first element as 1 and rest, below this 1 we make the 0, that is by using row operation, or we can also use the column operations here, okay. First we apply the row operation for this one, that is R2 is equals to R2 minus 2 into R1 and R3 is equals to R3 minus 3 into R1, R4 equals to R4 minus 2 into R1, okay. So first put all the R2 elements here, 2 3 3, multiply R1 with 2, so that is we get 2 into 1 2 4 2. Because of this minus sign we have to change the sign here, minus minus minus. So 2 minus 2 get cancels, here minus 1 and plus 1. Therefore, A is equivalent to first row as it is. Second row elements are 0, minus 1, 1. Next, R3 elements are 3, 5, 4. Multiply this R1 with minus 3, will get minus 3 into 1 equals to minus 3. Minus 2 into 3, minus 3 into 2 is equals to minus 6. Minus 3 into 1 equals to minus 3. So simplifying, we get 0, minus 1, plus 1. So therefore, it is 0, minus 1, plus 1. Next, R4 elements are 2, 1, 5, and minus 2 into R1 is equals to minus 2, minus 4, minus 2. Simplifying, we get 0, minus 3, plus 3. Thus, the new elements of R4 are 0, minus 3, and 3. Here, after making all these, that is below this leading element 0, next we go for the columns, that is we make all the elements in front of this 1 equals to 0. Therefore, we make all the first elements or in front of this 1 we make 0 by using the column operation. For column operation, no need to apply the no need to do the rough work here, because we can directly keep all the elements as it is. Only we have to make this 0. You can observe here. First we apply the column operation here in order to make this C2. So this is column 2, column 3, column 1. We apply the elementary operation for C2. C2 is equals to C2 minus 2 into C1, and C3 equals to C3 minus C1. Okay. So you can observe that all the this except this one, all the C1 elements are 0. If you multiply this 2 with C1, column 1 will get 0, 0. Okay, therefore these elements minus 0 equals to, we get these elements as it is. Therefore, we keep this column, first column as it is. Next, 2 minus 2 into 1, which is equals to 2 minus 2 is equals to 0. So rest of the elements will be as it is, minus 1, minus 1, minus 3. Next, C3 minus C1 equals to 0. Remaining all the elements will be same. You can observe that C3 is 1 minus C1. C1 means minus 0 equals to plus 1. Next, C3, 1 minus 0 equals to 0. 3 minus 0 equals to, will get 3. Even this C2 minus 2 C1. This one becomes 0. C2 is minus 2 into minus 0 equals to minus 1. Minus 1 minus 0 equals to minus 1. Minus 3 minus 0 equals to 0. Whenever you apply the column operation, if these elements are 0, then we can keep all the elements as it is. Okay. Next, we go for this element, that is second row element. Already it is minus 1. We have to make this as a plus 1. Therefore, we apply the elementary row operation. R2 is equals to minus 1 into R2. Then this A is equivalent to 1, 0, 0, 0, minus 1 plus 1, minus 1, 0, minus 1, 1, 0, minus 3, 3. Next, now applying column operation, that is this C3 equals to C3 plus C2. So if we apply C3 plus C2, then this minus 1 plus 1 becomes 0, plus 1 minus 1 0, plus 3 minus 3 becomes 0. Therefore, now A is equivalent to 1, 0, 0, 0. This first column as it is, even second column also as it is. Now third column equals to C3 plus C2, that is 0 plus 0, 0, minus 1 plus 1 equals to 0, plus 1 minus 1 equals to 0, plus 3 minus 3 equals to 0. Here we got this row, this column 0. Now you can observe that it is 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0. Here we should get 0 0. That is here leading element of the second row is 1. Below this element we have to make 0. For that we apply the row operation here. That is R3 is equals to R3 plus R2 and R4 equals to R4 plus R2. Then this this is not R4 plus R2, so it is 3 R4 plus 3 into R2, because this is 3, therefore it is, if you multiply with 3 you will get 1 into 3 equals to 3. Therefore A is equivalent to first and second row as it is 0 1 0. Now R3 plus R2, 0 plus 0 0, plus 1 minus 1 equals to 0, 0 plus 0 0. R4 plus 3 R2, 0 plus 0 0, R4, it is minus 3 plus 3 equals to 0, 0 plus 0 equals to 0. Okay, you can observe that here we got identity matrix of order 2. So this is in normal. Therefore here you can count the non-zero rows. Here this contains 2 non-zero rows. These are 0 rows. Therefore its rank is 2, or it can be written as in the normal form it is order 2, identity matrix of order 2 0, rest of all 0. Okay, therefore it is, that is, it is of rank 2. That is second example. A equals to 1 1 2, 2 1 minus 3 minus 6, 3 minus 3 1 2. First here leading element of the first row is 1. So below this 2 and 3 are there. We can make these as 0 first, or by applying column operation we can make these 3 elements as 0. First we apply the column operation, that is C2 is equals to C2 minus C1. So this will be easy because here we have other than 1. If all are 1 1, easy to calculate. Therefore we apply C2 minus C1 first, and C3 equals to C3 minus C1, and C4 equals to C4 minus 2 into C1. Applying this operation, A is equivalent to first column as it is 1 2 3, C2 minus C1 equals to 1 minus 1 equals to 0, 1 minus 2 equals to minus 1, minus 3 equals to minus 6. Next C3 minus C1, C3 is 1, so here we place C3 terms, that is elements. C3 elements are 1 minus 3 plus 1 minus C1 minus 1 minus 2 minus 3, which is equals to 0, minus 5 and minus 2. Thus C3 elements are 0, minus 5, minus 2. Next C4 minus 2 into C1. C4 elements are 2 minus 6 and 2. Now multiplying this C1 with minus 2 we get 1 minus 1 equals to minus 1, minus 2 into minus 2 into plus 2 equals to we get minus 4, minus 2 into 3 equals to minus 6, which is equals to 2 minus 1 equals to plus 1, minus 10, minus 4. Thus C4 elements are, this is C4 minus C2. C4 element is 2. Multiplying with we get it is 2. 2 minus 2 equals to 0. The C4 elements are 0, minus 10, minus 4. Next, applying row operation, we make these two terms 0. For that we apply row operation here. R2 is equals to R2 minus 2 into R1, and R3 equals to R3 minus 3 into R1. So then A equivalent to 1, 0, 0, 0. R2 minus 2 into R1. So 2 minus 2 equals to 0. Remaining, because of this 0, these three elements will be as it is, minus 3, minus 5, minus 10. And this becomes 0, and this minus 6, minus 2, minus 4 as it is, because 3 into 0, 0, 0 equals to, we get 0. Next, we remove these negative signs. Therefore, multiplying R2 with minus 1 and R3 with minus 1. So if you multiply with minus 1, these all terms becomes plus, and this will be easy to calculate. So therefore, A is equivalent to 1, 0, 0, 0, 0 plus 1 plus 5 plus 10, 0 plus 6 plus 2 plus 4. Now we can apply the either column operation or row operation. Okay, so for that, first we apply the row operation here, that is, or we can apply the column operation. First we apply the row operation here. Okay, applying row operation, R3 is equivalent to R3 minus 6 into R2. So place the R3 elements 0, 6, 2, 4, minus 6 into R2, 0 into minus 6, 0. So 6 minus 6 into 1, minus 6, 5 into minus 6 equals to minus 30, 10 into 6 equals to minus 60. Simplifying, 0, 0, this becomes minus 28, and this is minus 56. Therefore, A is equivalent to 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 5, 10, 0, 0, minus 28, minus 56. Next, in order to make this 0, we apply column operation. C3 is equivalent to C3 minus 5 into C2, and C4 equals to C4 minus 10 into C2. This is equals to 1, 0, 0 as it is, 0, 1, 0 as it is. C3 equals to 5 into C2. So this is 0. 1 into 5 minus 5 equals to minus 5, plus 5 into minus 5 equals to minus 5, or here we do the rough work. C3 elements elements are 0, 1, 0, 5 into, sorry, not 0, 1, 0. So 0, 5, 28 minus 5 into C2. Multiply C2 with 5, we get 0. 1 into minus 5 equals to minus 5, minus 0 equals to, we get 0, 0. This 28, minus 28 as it is, because it is minus 28. So we get 0, 0, minus 28, C4 minus 10, C1. So here simplifying, we get 0, 0, because minus 10 into 1 equals to 0. Therefore this minus 56 as it is, because 10 into 0 equals to, we get 0. Therefore this minus 56 also as it is. Next, this 28 can be make as a leading element by applying row operation, that is R3 is equals to minus 1 divided by 28 into R3. Then A becomes first row as it is, second row also as it is, third row multiplying with minus 28, dividing with minus 28, we get minus 28, minus 28, 8 cancels, it becomes 1, and this 56 divided by 28 equals to 2. Now we make this term 0 by applying column operation, that is C4 is equals to C4 minus 2 into C3. This becomes 0 because C4 is 2 minus 2 into 1 into 2 1 into minus 2 equals to minus 2. Minus 2 plus 2 get cancels. A equivalent to 1 0 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 0 1 0. So now it is in the normal form. So it has identity matrix of order 3, or you count the non-zero rows. Here it has 3 non-zero rows, therefore rank of A is equals to 3. So in the normal form it is equals to, it is of identity matrix of order 3 and rest of the column equals to 0. Okay. Next problem, A equals to 1 1 1 6 1 minus 1 2 5 3 1 1 8 2 minus 2 3 7. Okay. First we apply the column operation here. C2 is equals to C2 minus C1. C3 is equals to C3 minus C1, because here these are 1 1, therefore it is easy to simplify. Therefore we apply the column operation first, and C4 is equals to C4 minus 6 into C1. So applying column operations, A is equivalent to first column as it is. Second column elements are C2 minus C1 means 1 minus 1 0. Minus 1 is minus 2. 1 minus 3 is equals to minus 2. Minus 2 minus 2 equals to minus 4. Next, C3 minus C1. C3, 1 minus 1 equals to 0. 2 minus into minus, this 2 minus 1 is equals to 1. 1 minus 3 equals to minus 2. 3 minus 2 is equals to plus 1. Next, C4 minus 6. C4 elements are 6, 5, 8, 7 and minus 6 into C1. Minus 6 1 into C1 equals to minus 6, minus 6, minus 3 into 6 equals to 18, minus 18, minus 12. Simplifying we get 0, it is minus 1, minus 10 and minus 5. Thus the C4 elements are 0, minus 1, minus 10, minus 5. Next we apply the elementary row operation, that is R2 is equals to R2 minus R1. R3 equals to R3 minus 3 into R1. R4 equals to 2, that is R4 minus 2 into R1. Okay, here we are simplifying. A is equals to, first write the R1 elements as it is 1 0 0 0. First we compute this R2 minus R1. We can directly calculate here. 1 minus 1 0, minus 2 minus 0 0, 1 minus 0 0, 1, minus 1 minus 0 equals to minus 1, this is minus 2, minus 2 minus 0 equals to minus 2. Next, R3 minus 3 into R1. R3 minus 3 into R1 equals to 0. Minus 2, 3 into 0 equals to 0. Therefore, minus 2 minus 0 equals to minus 2. Even this one also becomes minus 2 because 3 into R1 equals to 0. 3 into R1 equals to 0. Therefore, we get these elements as it is. 1, you can observe that if all these elements are 0, if you multiply with this row with any terms, the remaining elements will be same as it is. Therefore, this 2 becomes 0. Minus 4 minus 0 equals to 0, because minus 2 into R2, 0. Sorry, this is not 0. Minus 4 plus 1 minus 5 as it is. Apply the elementary column operation here to make this term as 1. Okay, on applying column operation, C2 is multiplied with 1 by, that is minus 1 by 2 into C2. We get A is equivalent to this C1 as it is 1 0 0 0 0. This C2 is multiplied with minus 1 by 2, therefore it is minus 2 by 2 equals to plus 1, minus 2 by 2 is equals to plus 1, minus 4 by minus 2 is equals to, we get plus 2, and the rest of the columns are 0, that is not the same as it is, that is 0 1 minus 2 1 0 minus 1 minus 2 minus 10 minus 5. Next, we apply either elementary column operation or row operation here. Now applying column operation for this one, we get C3 is equivalent to C3 minus C2. C4 is equivalent to C4 plus C1, because already it is minus, therefore we add C4 and C2. Therefore, applying this operation, we get C3 is equals to C3 minus C2. Therefore, A is equivalent to first C1 as it is, even C2 also as it is. Now, C3 equals to C3 minus C2, that is 0 minus 0, 0, 1 minus 1, 0, minus 1, minus 2 equals to, we get minus 3, 2 minus 1 equals to, 1 minus 2 equals to minus 1. Next, C4 equals to C4 plus C2, 0 plus 0, 0, minus 1 plus 1, 0, minus 10 plus 1 equals to minus 9, minus 5 plus 2 equals to minus 3. Okay. Next, we make these two elements as 0, that is applying R3 equals to R3 minus R2 and R4 equals to R4 minus 2 into R2. We get R3 minus R2 equals to, first put all the R3 elements, that is 0, 1, minus 3, minus 9, minus R2 elements are 0, minus 1, multiplying with minus 1 we get minus 1, 0, 0. We get 0 plus 1 minus 1 get cancelled, 0, minus 3 as it is, minus 9 as it is. When calculating this R4, we get R4 elements are 0, 2, minus 1, minus 3. Now 2 into R2 is equals to 0, 1, 0, 0. Therefore we get this, it is not 2, it is 2. Changing the sign we get minus 2, 2 minus 2, 0, remaining, that is rest of the elements equals to same as it is. Therefore, we get A is equivalent to 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0. This becomes 0, 0, minus 3, minus 9, and fourth row is 0, 0, minus 1, minus 3. Okay. Next, we make this element as plus 1. Okay, because this is the leading element of the third row. Therefore, R3 is multiplied with 1 by minus 3 into R3. This becomes A is equals to 1, 0, 0, 0 as it is, 0, 1, 0, 0. Now dividing by minus 3 we get 0 0, 3 3 get cancels, we get plus 1. Minus 9 divided by minus 3 is equals to plus 3, and fourth row is as it is. Now we apply C4, that is C4 column operation here, because if I apply C4 equals to C4 minus 3 into C3, then it becomes 1 into 3 equals to 3 minus 3 equals to 0. Even this one also, minus into minus, this becomes plus. Plus 3 minus 3 get cancels. Okay, so C4 elements are 0 0, 3, minus 3. Now C3 is multiplied with minus 3, then we get 0 0, minus 3, minus into minus, plus 3, which is equals to 0 0, plus 3 minus 3 get cancelled, 0 0. Therefore we get 1 0 0 0 as it is, 0 1 0 0 as it is, 0 0 1, sorry, this becomes 0, sorry, 1 minus 1 as it is. The last column will be C4 will be 0 0 0 0. Okay, next below this leading element we need 0. For this we apply row operation. So if we apply row R4 equals to R4 plus R3, then this term becomes 0. That is, applying this operation we get A is equivalent to 1 0 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 0 1 0 as it is. R4 plus R3, plus 1 minus 1 get cancels, 0 plus 0 0 0 0 0. You can observe that it is in the normal form and identity matrix is of order 3. Therefore it can be written as I3 0 0 0. Okay, therefore rank of A is 3, or you just count the non-zero rows. It has 3 non-zero rows, therefore its rank is